Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I have a really easy hot cocoa kit for you, and it's just a little pocket, but it's really cute. I love the buffalo check on this one. It reminds me of a kitchen, this little treat pouch. It reminds me of a little kitchen thing, but I thought it'd be cute for even an adult to put little hot cocoa packs in there. You can even use these as little place settings or little gifts to hand out when your family and friends come to visit at the holidays. It's really cute, and we are doing a lot of big shot work with this, but it's so easy and they go really quick. So let's get started with this. This one is a simple pouch here, and this piece is 5 by 8.5. And then you're going to need a piece that is 2 by 5, and this is just for that little scallop. You don't even have to put the scallop on it. You can keep it a straight edge if you don't have the scallop for it. And then you are going to need some scrap Whisper White, Real Red, and Garden Green for this project. So let's go ahead and first bring up the big shot, and let's get our cutting all done, and then we're ready to go, and it'll go a lot quicker. So I'm using the cup of cheer. This is a bundle with the dies. The dies are the cup of cheer dies, and we are using this one and this one. And this is our first reverse stamping kit. We're not going to do any reverse stamping today, but it does cut out reverse sides, so we have 2 mugs we can cut out at the same time. Alright, so this is what I'm using for this, and then we are also using the buffalo check. Alright, and then for the little scallop, I'm using the seasonal layers, and I have this scallop right here that I'm using. This comes in this, and this is the Colorful Seasons bundle that this came with. And so let's go ahead and move all this out of the way, and we'll get all our die cutting done and out of the way first. Alright, so we need our base plate. Do you believe I already gonna need some new plates again? I am just like going through them like crazy. We are cutting out one of the mugs, Garden Green. I probably don't even need, let's cut this in half so that we have room for quite a few and we can do a bunch at one time. We're using the Real Red for this little poinsettia. We're using some Whisper White for this card and for this background here. And then we do need a little Whisper White tag. I don't know if I could fit it all on here. I'm going to cut this piece. And then I think I could fit that right there. So you can see how quick it could go if you run these all through at the same time. Alright, so that is it. Put your plate on top, and we're going to go ahead and run those all through. I'm going to run it back again because there is some detail in this little poinsettia here. And we will have all our pieces. I'm going to go ahead and run through the little scallop. It does make a little bit of a mess, that one. Alright, so let's grab our tag and our little mugs. This is one of the cutest stamp sets. I love this one. Alright, so let's get this out of the way and clean up this mess, and we'll run through our little scallop here, and then we'll be ready to put it all together, and it goes together really quickly. I'm going to use that, and I think I'm going to need a little piece of sticky note, so let me grab that real quick because I want it to stay . And that's just for the edge there. right, so we're done with the big shot. And then we're going to go ahead and put these, let's put these together. We're just going to use wet glue. And then we'll just be ready to do the stamping, and we'll go ahead and stamp our background and stuff. So I'm just using a little bit of wet glue for this. Alright, so there's our one mug, and then this one. I'm just putting little glue dots on the biggest parts of these, and then along that bottom and all the way around. I really like to make these little cocoa pouches. Every year I always make some kind of cocoa pouch. So this year I just kept it simple, but I love this bundle and I thought it was really cute on there. Alright, so there's our two mugs right there. And then we'll do our stamping on our little scallop border and our background. Alright, so there's our piece that we are going to stamp for our background, and I am going to get out my buffalo check, and this one I don't ever put it on. I just leave it on my bench like that. I'll ink it up with some real red. Let me grab my inks here. So I'm going to ink it up with the real red here. And it usually stays pretty good in place when I'm doing this way. You can use one of your big clear blocks, but I'm just going to grab a piece of my paper here. I'm going to lay this down in the center. And then put this paper over, and then we're just going to rub that so I don't get that ink all over my hands. And then we'll have our little background. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Alright, I'm going to set this aside so I don't get that ink everywhere. Alright, let's get our scoring tool up here, and we're going to just score this. So we are only scoring this at 4 3/4. And we're folding that in half, and then we're going to score this little scallop piece, and we're going to score that at 3/4 inches. Just like that. And that is all we're going to do to score. Alright, so on this one I'm going to use my tear and tape, and I'm putting it along both sides. This is what makes it so easy. We're going to stamp our pieces first, but I'm going to go ahead and get this ready. And then this piece right here is going to fold over like that. We're going to stamp it, and I'm going to use my garden green and the little holly, and this holly is from the same bundle. Oops, put the wrong one on. And I misplaced my mat, and I'm really upset about it, so I'm going to have to order another one. You believe this craft room, I cannot find that mat. I'm really not happy about it. So we are going to stamp that also with the Enjoy. That's the little tag we're going to put on here. And then I also went ahead and I stamped the little wooden spoon handle to match. But these are the ones I got, and I think I got these at Hobby Lobby, and they had them on sale. They were like 50% off. You don't even have to do this part, but I thought it'd be really cute to stamp the little hollies on here too. So we're going to just stamp them in between the little stripes. And you're not even going to see it, so you don't even have to do this part. I just thought it was cute. All right. Now I'm going to use my Real Red blend here, and I'm just going to make some little berries here. Fill in this little space. And just put them wherever you like. And just add a little bit of red to that. All right, we're going to first, I'm going to take this backing off. And then we're going to add this little piece, and I'm going to add some wet glue on this. You only need to add it in the middle because there's adhesive there. So we're going to add it here. Make sure you can fold it over. Don't go over your little crease there. And then I'm going to add a little bit more. Oops, I need to put on, I almost forgot to put on this, my favorite part, the buffalo check. Because once I fold that over, it's gonna be it. So you don't want to forget that part. And I already took that backing off, which made it difficult. So don't lay it down because it's going to stick to your surface. All right, and then we're going to fold this over. We're going to add some wet glue here. Fold that over like that. It's really easy. I made it look a little bit more complicated than it really is. And then this is just going to fold down like that. All right, now we are going to add our little mugs. We're going to put this one first. And then we'll put this one here. And I'm not gluing the handles because I'm going to actually stick my baker's twine underneath to add our little, you can use whatever color you have or you want. But I'm going to add this. Oh, I need to stamp. I need to punch my little hole here. And then we're going to run our baker's twine through there. And then up underneath the little handle here. And we're going to just tie it onto the handle. And make a little bow. My hands do not want to work today. They're really cold. And it's really not that cold. It's supposed to be like 60 today. Let's trim these up a little bit. And that is it. And I forgot to bring another hot cocoa here, but let's put our little thing in there. And that is it. It's super quick and easy. Really run everything through at the same time, and then you can just stamp your background stamp and you are ready to go. I thought they were really cute. So I hope you enjoyed it. It is getting close to the end of the holiday season crafting. I don't know how many more I have. I'm going to be able to get in before the year, but I'm going to be doing also a haul of the new mini catalog. I just got my order in, and I'm going to be doing a haul here pretty soon. So be watching for that. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop for my blog. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I will catch you in the next one, everyone. See you later. And if I don't catch you, have a Merry Christmas. Bye.